Welcome. In today's quick and easy tutorial, we're going to show you how to add your work information to your Gmail account using your Android device. Following these simple steps will help you keep your professional details updated for anyone who needs to see them. So, let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your Android device. Once you're in, tap on your profile picture located in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to a menu where you'll want to select Manage your Google account. Now, navigate to the Personal Info section. Here, scroll down until you find Choose What Others See. Once you locate it, tap on that option. Next, scroll down again until you see Add Work and Education. Give that a tap. Now let's add your work history. Hit Add Work History, and a new screen will prompt you to enter your work details. Take a moment to fill in the information you want to share. When you're done, simply tap Save. And that's it. Your work information is now added to your Gmail. Make sure to check your profile from time to time to keep it updated. Thanks for watching.